Hello, I'm Ian Brodsky with Windy City Legal, where we focus on real estate and estate planning matters. In this episode, I'm going to talk about what to do if you have to sell your current place before you purchase another one. This can arise if you are talking with a lender and they tell you, hey, we'd be happy to help you, but your debt to asset level or your debt to income level is too high compared to what we'd like to see for this kind of purchase. So there's a couple things you can do. Number one, if you had a higher down payment, you can try to put a lower down payment and still see if you'll qualify for the loan. That's something you can talk with your loan officer about. Another thing to be aware of is that not all mortgage programs are the same. Mortgage brokers typically have a range of options available to them. On the other hand, if you are working through a bank, you may find that the options are somewhat more limited because they have their own regulatory requirements, and the amount of tolerance that they have for variation or for higher debt levels or other considerations can sometimes be lower with a bank. So that's something to keep in mind. If you've worked through those couple of options, there are terms that can be put into the contract for your real estate purchase. These terms would require the sale of your current place to occur. Basically, you would have to be under contract by a certain period of time, and you'd have to have the sale completed by another date. And if those things aren't happening, then you would have flexibility with respect to the purchase contract to get out of that without liability. Hopefully, in this current environment, sales are somewhat brisk. A contingency such as that may be unattractive to the person that you are trying to buy the house from. So that's something to keep in mind. And of course, you can always sell the current place first and then, work to get that next place under contract as soon as possible once you have the sale contract arranged. So there's a couple of options. If you'd like to talk further about it, please feel free to reach out to us here at Windy City Legal. We would be happy to help you in your transition to a new place, and so we are here for you if you would like that assistance. Also, if you found this helpful, please feel free to hit the like or subscribe buttons. If there's somebody you know that you think would benefit from it, feel free to share it with them. As always, I'm Ian Brodsky with Windy City Legal. I appreciate you guys listening all the way through, and look forward to talking with you again soon. Take care.